Hello everyone, I am Swati. In my today's video, I am going to tell you how to handle the question answer session in the PPT presentation. See, question answer session is one of the important part of PPT presentation. So do you have fear about question answer session? I am here to give the tips to handle the question answer session. So why audience ask you questions? Remember, questions are always good. Why? The reasons are: it shows audience is interested in your topic or what you explain. Audience wants more information and they are curious about your topic. May audience check your thinking level by asking the questions, and it will boost your confidence level. So remember, questions are always good. So let the audience ask you questions. The first part is preparation of the questions. Before giving the presentation, identify the possible questions may ask to you. Also, understand the type of audience. It will definitely help you. How to start the question answer session? See, some people ask the questions during the presentation and some ask at the end of the presentation. So decide the schedule of question answer session and ready for both. If you are starting the question answer session at the end of the presentation, then when you end your presentation, clearly mention it. You can say like, now I will be taking questions for next 10 minutes and start your question answer session. My next point is how to give answers for the questions asked. See, begin your answer with polite comments like, thanks for asking the question. I am very happy to answer your question. Oh, that's a great question. What an interesting question, etc. Listen to the whole question very carefully. Confirm you answer the question by asking, is that clear? Understood the concept? Etc. End your question answer session in a right way. Again, repeat all the main points and thanks to the audience. What if you don't know the answer? Best thing is to not give the answer for that question. But don't go silent. Say some lines like, I don't know how to give the proper answer for your question right now. Please give me your email ID. I will communicate through email. Or you can say, I am afraid I don't know the answer of your question. Or you can say, I can't give answer right now, but I will try to find out more about it. Remember, take follow up with correct answer. So now I am going to give you the tips to handle the question answer session. Make eye contact with the person who is asking the question. Stand up straight and confidently. Listen the question carefully, understand the question, and take some time to give the best answer. Admit if you don't know the answer. Involve the whole audience in the session. If there is one-to-one communication, then remaining audience become bored. Encourage audience to ask the questions. Allow audience to ask the questions through email, which shows further scope for inquiry. So now I am going to summarize how to handle the question answer session. So first step, preparation of the questions. Then you have to decide the schedule of starting question answer session. Then start your question answer session. Start the response with a polite comment. Listen the question carefully. Give the best answer. Confirm the answer. Give further scope for asking the questions. And last is end of the question answer session. I hope my video will be useful for you while handling the question answer session. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.